Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical crypto topic: how to send XRP from your MetaMask wallet to Robinhood in 2025. Whether you're a beginner looking to move your assets or an experienced trader optimizing your portfolio, this step-by-step guide will make it easy and secure. Let's dive right in. First off, before we get started, make sure you have the essentials in place. You'll need a MetaMask wallet extension installed on your browser with some XRP already in it. Note that XRP operates on its own ledger, so you might need to add a custom network in MetaMask if it isn't set up by default. Also, have your Robinhood account ready and grab your Robinhood wallet address. Double-check it to avoid any mishaps. Step 1. Open your MetaMask extension and switch to the XRP network. If it's not listed, go to the network settings, add a custom RPC for the XRP ledger, and save it. This ensures your wallet is communicating with the right blockchain. Step 2. Once you're on the correct network, select your XRP account in MetaMask. Then, click the Send button to start a new transaction. Step 3. In the Send interface, paste the Robinhood wallet address into the recipient field. Make sure it's accurate. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Step 4. Enter the amount of XRP you want to send. Be mindful of any transaction fees, which can vary based on network congestion in 2025, and adjust accordingly to avoid surprises. Step 5. Review all the details on the confirmation screen, including the amount, fees, and recipient. If everything looks good, hit Confirm, and wait for the transaction to process. This might take a few minutes, depending on the XRP network. Once it's complete, hop over to your Robinhood app or website and refresh your account to see your XRP deposited. Pro tip: always use two-factor authentication and consider hardware wallets for larger transfers to keep your assets safe in this evolving crypto landscape. There you have it. That's how you send XRP from MetaMask to Robinhood in 2025. It's a straightforward process, but always stay cautious with your crypto. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.